Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if I had a another rant after the series of Windows 11 videos I posted today, a lot of it would be that I get it that it's a possible way that they're trying to make more money and sell more PCs, but I have a hard time with some of the features that are in Windows 11 that just can't make it to Windows 10. And I have to say that is something that I kind of wonder. For example, the streamlined updates when you do Windows updates. The underlying code of Windows is of Windows 11 is in a big part Windows 10. They could help with the streamlining of the Windows updates. I don't see why they're not working on that, especially since Windows 10 is still supported until 2025. We would all benefit from that. And the majority of users, 1.3 billion people, it's a lot of people. It's a lot of computers. And a lot of the stuff that I talked about on Windows 11 that, of course, for sure, they're trying to brag and talk about Windows 11 as something fantastic and faster and all the greatness that comes with it. But at the same time, there are things that you're wondering why they don't implement them in Windows 10 also. They talk about that, the fact that it's faster because they now optimize the CPU cycles for, apps that are running, things like that. You could easily, so here you see that 100% that just appeared for the task manager, which doesn't happen in Windows 11. They are right on that. The optimization seems to be better. But at the same time, why is it that they can't, at least, without the cosmetic change, say you don't have the cosmetic change, say you don't, have that new start menu, anything, that new settings app, how about no cosmetic change, keep that for Windows 11, but at least give us some of the performance changes, which I'm sure is possible. It's the core of Windows 10 in great part. What they did, what they tweaked, what they changed, they can add it to Windows 10. They don't have to keep it Windows 11 only. And that would actually benefit a lot of people. And maybe, maybe less ranting at the disaster that has become Windows 11 and its announcement and the minimum requirements and the capacity of Microsoft of rather not having any way to explain anything to us. Microsoft has taken a lot of the Windows user base right now and changed it into people that are a little mad and are frustrated. And one way they could make that a little better, at least, is why not implement some of those features in Windows 10, but, while keeping the new interface to Windows 11, which would be fine. Honestly, how about we do that? How about they would do that? That would still benefit Windows 10 users with the fact that we would, if we want to have some new interface, some new feel, some new look, it would be going to Windows 11 if you want to have that new user interface and those new Sun Valley feel and look. That is kind of interesting. So, I have a hard time with that because a lot of those things can be implemented in Windows 10. It's obvious Microsoft will not do it. It's obvious they don't want to do it. It's obvious that what they just did is, well, you're on Windows 10, and if you're not supported, well, good luck. and Windows 11 for those that have brand new machines. They will benefit all of these cool things without ever explaining why the minimum requirement is so high, because none of the videos, none of the things they say, not even security, the security part of the video doesn't even explain why TPM is required. Why not say it? Why not talk about it? I mean, it's crazy when you think about it. They obviously are doing the wrong thing, and they obviously are, shifting. I'm sure they're going to be shifting some users into another direction, and really, the real tech enthusiast that knows maybe will go to Linux, but the tech enthusiast that is knowledgeable for that already has Linux running on a machine with Windows running on another machine. There's no movement to Linux. There will not be. And if there are movements to something else because people might be frustrated, is mostly people will notice that, well, their tablet might be doing the job. There's not going to be a movement to Mac. It doesn't work like that. It never did work like that. It's not going to work like that today. People that are going to move away from a PC don't want to have another PC. They want to have something that is more of what they want to use. Going to a Mac is going to another PC, and it's nothing different. Mac isn't better, and it is, and you've got super expensive machines at the same time compared to PCs. That's not where the market is going. The market is definitely going to go to people finding that their Android tablet might be doing the job. And why do I have a PC, actually? A Chromebook, we had Chromebooks that were like 100 and some % market share rise in a year. And a lot of those were bought by people. The education market does go Chromebook, yes, but a lot of people at home purchased Chromebooks. And I see it. I see it with quite a lot of people. Their smartphone is their friend, and it's small, fits in the pocket. They have it everywhere. And they realize that for the small things that they do every day, that smartphone does everything they want. So the market is going to shift not to, Linux or Mac or anything. It's going to shift to, what? I have a smartphone, already does the job. I have a tablet, Android tablet, already does the job. Maybe an iPad, already does the job. And people are never going to go back to Windows once they leave the platform for these other devices. So I think Microsoft needs to think again and seriously at if, as they are saying, Windows is important. If home users are important, well, maybe they should think again the way that they are treating their users right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.